another section of the topic in further maths. Some can be further maths or mathematics. Sometimes in 100 level, we make use of this, which is what? Differentiation and what? Integration. Under the differentiation and integration, opposite of differentiation is what? Integration, and the reverse of integration is what? Differentiation. Let's see the first one. We can. What else? So we are going to talk about what? When you integrate what? 1 over x is going to give you ln x. Then give you ln x. And if you integrate e raised to power x, it gives you what? E raised to power what? X. This is a little thing about differential integration. And now let's see how it was going to fall. Under the differential aspect, we see that what? When y is equal to what? A x raised to power n. So we'll say dy over what? Dx is equal to what? This times this. This times this is what? A times n x raised to power what? N minus 1 for differentiation. But for integration, if y equals to what? X raised to power n, therefore integrating y with respect to what? X is going to be what? This times this, there's a visible one here, okay? Sorry, n plus 1, n plus 1 over n plus 1. What are we going to do? Now let's go back to the reverse case of differentiation and integration. In this case, if you integrate, if you differentiate when y is equal to what? 6x cubed. What do? We make sure that was 6 times 3, therefore dy over what dx is equals to, from this stage, we say 8 times n, and we'll remove 1. Also, 6 times 3, so we are going to remove 1 from here. And 6 times 3 gives you what? 18 x raised to power 2. Second derivative of the square y over what? The x squared. It's going to be what? 18x squared. Well, this times is the same way. 18 times 2 and 2 raised to power minus 1. 18 times 2 gives you what? 36 x raised to power 1, which is 36. The third derivative also, the cube y over what? The s cube equals to what? 36x. 1 times this gives you 1. And 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means x raised to power 0. 1 times 36 is 36. X raised to power 0 is 1 times 36, which gives us 36. That is under the differentiation aspect for differentiation. And when we are talking about integration, if you integrate 1, it gives you what? X. If you integrate 2, it gives you what? 2x. Integrate 5, it gives you what? 5x. Also, if you integrate 36 of a truth, it gives you, remember it's x, you now put plus c, plus c, plus c. It gives you what? 36x plus c. Because we're not going to talk about more with c. Second derivative, that is to say, you can see the opposite of differentiation is integration. Opposite of integration is differentiation. That's how we get what? 36x plus c. Let's integrate what? 36x. That's when it gives us, it takes us back to this formula. And in this formula, remember that we are adding 1 raised to power and then dividing it. Also, there's a visible 1 here. So that is to say we are going to do what? 36x visible 1, 1 plus 1. All over what? 1 plus 1. 36 x raised to power 2, all over 2. 2 into 36 gives us what? 18x squared. That is the integration of plus c. So that it has given us, take us back to what? This stage. Let's integrate this one further. Let's see if it takes us back to this stage. So integrating 18x squared. What should you do? 18x squared plus 1 all over what? 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 gives us 18. Gives us what? 18s cubed all over 3. And 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 18, 6. We are having what? 6s cubed plus c, which is a constant. So there are other factors of integration. the other factors of integration. So let's see how far this one can play a role in integration. Therefore, you have to know your indices. If you don't really understand more about indices, you chat me up. And then I will now tell you how it's being done. Let's go see something like that. If you're integrating y equals to something of this nature, x is square what? This is cube, x is square 2. If you are differentiating this, differentiation, you have to take it back to indices. How do you take it? It's going to be something of this nature. X is square what? 2 bracket 1 over 3. Guys, so you have to know things like a raised to power 0 should be 1. A raised to power minus 1 should be what? A raised to power minus 1 should be what? 1 over a. A raised to power minus 2 should be what? 1 over. Anytime you see minus is 1 over. A raised to power 2. You have to, when you see something like this, we have something also, when we have square root of what? A means a raised to power 1 over 2. When we have cube root of a means what? A raised to power what? 1 over 3. So with this aspect and a square same thing as a square, a cube is also written as a cube. So you can see that when we have this, it means this. So we are going to open the bracket, which is now what? X raised to power 2 over 3. So we have not done anything yet. We have not done anything yet. What should we do? It's now we are now integrating, differentiating. So the y over what the x is equal to differentiation. Well, differentiation, this times this times this, then remove 1. Also, the same way, it's a visible one here. 1 times 2 over 3, okay, 2 over 3 minus 1. That's how it is. So when 2 over 3 minus 1, you should know that LCM should be 2 over 3 minus 1 over 1. LCM between 2 over 3 minus 1 should be what? 3. 3 into 3, 1. 1 times 2, 2. Minus 1 into 3, 3. 3 times 1, 3. The truth we are having what? Minus 1 over 3. So the truth, these ones can give you the y, the x, differentiating y with respect to x. Differentiating y with respect to x gives you what? 2 over 3 x raised to power what? Minus 1 over 3. And anytime you see minus, I told earlier, minus means what? 1 over. Minus means 1 over. So therefore, it's affecting only this. I mean 2 over 3 x, okay, which is 1 over x raised to power 3. X raised to power minus 1 over 3. Also, which 2 over 3, 2 times 1, 2. 1 over 3 means cube root of x. Now we can now put what? Okay, that's all. These are dy over what? The x. Thank you very much for this Despirando channel. You can chat me whenever. If you have any comment, any session, read that and comment about that. Thank you very much. Bye for now.